Police were called to a Circle K after employees reported that a woman and her son refused to leave the property after their vehicle ran out of gas. What started as a simple trespassing complaint quickly spiraled out of control when both individuals ignored repeated warnings from officers. Within minutes, the situation turned physical, accusations started flying, and both ended up in handcuffs.
Yeah, we got a call over here at Circle K, and they're advising that they need to close and you're refusing to leave. I think it's probably because you're out of gas, right?
Right.
On this night, officers responded to a Circle K after staff requested assistance with 2 customers who refused to leave the property. According to employees, the woman had caused problems at the store before and was being formally trespassed along with her son. Legally, once the authorized representative of a business tells someone to leave private property, that person must comply. Refusing to leave after being given notice can result in an arrest for trespassing. Officers arrived to explain the situation and give them an opportunity to leave peacefully, but things didn't go according to plan.
Okay, let me see if you're allowed to maybe leave the vehicle here right now.
I have the gas can.
Okay, do you have gas in there?
I'm waiting for my mom to come.
Okay.
Hello?
Listen, I don't know what you're trying to do, but...
I am sitting at Circle K with no gas.
Well, it's not my fault.
No one said it is. It's not my fault about anything in your life and how you need mental health. Okay?
Oh, really?
Yeah, I'm going to send the mental health coordinator over.
I wish you would, Jay.
Okay, ma'am, I'm not here to argue. I just want to...
Make sure they're here so they can evaluate you also.
Okay, listen, I need gas. You're going to help me or you're not? You told my friends figure it out.
She says she's not going to help you, okay?
Nancy.
Okay.
About me. You got
And
Nancy.
how much about me did you talk to my friend?
I'll be right back. I'm going to ask them if they want this vehicle towed from their lot, because it doesn't look like you got any
no, I
gas.
have AAA.
Okay,
So.
well, let me go ask, okay?
Mom, you don't have a daughter.
You want to grab the tag? We just was out with them not too long ago. They're closed. Yeah, they're closed. I don't know where they at, though. Oh, ma'am, Officer Lou with the Mount Police Department. I think you were here the other day when I was here. Okay, so they're out of gas. I don't think she's gonna get any gas.
No, my systems. I'm in a store upgrade right now.
Yeah.
All my
So,
systems are down.
okay, so are they allowed to wait for gas or?
No, I need them trespass because they've been caught stealing.
Okay.
This is the second night she's came up here yelling at me, honking her horn at me.
Okay. So what about this? Their vehicle is stuck here.
Yeah.
Do you want to call a tow truck? I can't call her for you. It's on your property.
Yeah.
But do you want to call a tow truck to have their vehicle towed somewhere?
Okay. Yeah. I'll call my boss.
Because I can't. Their vehicle's stuck,
Yeah.
but you know what I mean?
Yeah, I know.
All right.
It was a hard, I wasn't gonna call, but
Yeah.
then she kept still trying to yell at me and honk at me. I'm like, this shit is just.
I'm aware. We've dealt with her numerous times. That was the first time I dealt with her, but the other officers dealt with her multiple times. So do you want her just trespass or the son as well?
My boss said both.
Both of them? Okay. Well, we'll go ahead and trespass them. If they refuse to leave, would you like them arrested? Okay. They're close. Hello, ma'am. So I understand that you don't have any gas, okay? She's calling a tow truck, but for right now, she wants y'all to trespass from this property, okay?
She's not trespassing. Listen, I already spoke to the manager. Him and I are like this.
I understand that, but she wants you trespassed, okay?
I don't care if she's nobody. Why don't you have her call the manager of the store?
Is this vehicle registered to you?
No, it's my mom entered it.
Oh, okay.
But why don't you have her call the
Ma'am, please. I don't have to do what you're
Hello?
talking about. I can see
I'm not
your
telling
idea,
you.
okay?
Hello? She's very nasty. Yeah, so the gas can is here. I just need to get some gas. Now they're trying to tow my car.
The store manager's on the phone.
And I'm the assistant, and we are both saying that you have to leave.
Okay.
Did you hear that, ma'am?
All right, bye. Yes.
Okay, she's saying if you don't leave the property, we're going to arrest you. You understand that?
At this point, the assistant manager makes it clear that both individuals are no longer welcome on the property. That detail is important because the officers are no longer dealing with a customer dispute. Once the business formally revokes permission to remain on the property, refusing to leave can become a criminal offense under trespassing laws.
I didn't do anything for you to arrest me. Can I speak to,
No, she doesn't want to speak, okay? So I'm going to ask you now. She is the man. She's an authorized person, okay? So I'm going to ask you to leave the property. I understand this is your vehicle.
Well, it's not your car. It's your mom's car, right?
No, it's in both
No,
names.
you said it's not under
I
your
said
name.
it's in both names.
No, you said it's your mom's.
You know what? You need to start recording stuff.
I'm recording.
Okay.
Ma'am.
I said it's in both names.
Ma'am, we're not going to argue with you, okay? So
We're
now,
not arguing.
sir, that's you as well, okay? So you got to leave the property.
We didn't do anything.
Okay.
Yes.
Ma'am, I understand your vehicle, okay? We're going to tow the vehicle, but you cannot be on the property. I tried to explain
You're not going to touch
it.
my car.
Ma'am, I'm going to ask you to leave again. If you don't leave, we're going to have you arrested for trespassing and resisting.
That's
You cannot tow my car.
You as well, Matthew.
Don't call me by my name. I don't know you. You don't know me.
I need another unit, please.
And we're not in each other's life.
Okay, Matthew.
You don't have to be a I'm telling you. Yeah.
He's 97. You have to something.
Roll the window up.
Where's my car keys? No, you're going to break my door.
After several warnings, officers begin moving in to make an arrest. From the officer's perspective, the woman has been given multiple opportunities to leave but continues refusing lawful commands. Instead of walking away from the situation, she escalates the confrontation, which immediately increases the chances of additional charges.
Sound for her?
Step out. Hey, Matthew, leave the property. Leave the property, Matthew.
He is leaving.
Leave the property.
He's not leaving. He's walking towards
Let's go, Matthew.
sir.
Leave the property. You're going to be arrested. Leave the property.
Yo.
Oh.
Ma'am,
Back up!
back up.
Don't you touch my
Your
son!
hands on your back. You just threw that shit in my face. It hurt my goddamn eye.
You are going to jail.
Okay.
Black people who beat up white people. You motherfucker. You motherfucker. If you slam my son's head, you're dead.
Mom, get my phone.
Matthew, why would you do that?
You're dead.
Hey, man. Hey.
I'm not leaving. I'm getting off the property.
All right,
I'm going off the property.
No, you're not. You're going to jail, too.
No,
You just-
I'm going off the property.
You got your handcuffs?
No, you're hurting me.
Matt, hey, you might got me two handcuffs and then
Adams, I'm going off the property. I didn't do anything.
Yes, you did. Drop your phone.
I didn't do anything.
You better stop resisting.
You're gonna break my
Or
arm.
you better stop resisting. I'm not trying to. I'm trying to defend
Mom,
you.
I hate you, you f***ing cunt.
That's not very nice.
I don't give a shit. And you're going, you're dead, Mom, and that's it.
Yeah, just an extra pair for her.
You're dead, Mom. I am just
Stop
fucking-
moving.
I can't.
Stop moving. Stop. I need you to stop resisting, okay? You need to stop resisting.
I'm gonna have a heart attack.
Well, you better stop resisting, man. I'm not trying to have you have a heart attack.
Nancy, help me. Matthew.
Okay.
Same two from that 33.
Yeah.
Or 38.
Same.
Black people are going to jail because you guys kill black people everywhere. Car's on fire, you stupid. I'm pressing charges. Car's hot.
Also back here? Just back here.
You're making trouble from fucking this. I swear to God you are. You're going to jail. Think I'm going to jail? You break my arm?
Man, just lean on the car. That's
Let
it.
go
Right?
of
That's all
me.
you gotta do.
Let
We're
go of
not
me.
letting go of you, okay?
Let me go.
It's not gonna happen.
Yes, it is. I can't breathe. Let me stand up.
You're standing.
Let me stand up. I cannot breathe. Did your head get hit?
No, I want my phone in the
Have a
wall.
seat, Matthew. I'll grab your stuff.
Oh, don't sit in my car.
Have a seat, Matthew.
No,
Oh,
don't
he
sit.
is gonna sit.
Did you have that ID with you, ma'am? Do you mind if I get it? Did you observe him throw that phone at me and hit me in the head?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just talking about I'm dead. That's the whole narration. Look, yeah,
Do you want to
charges
do you
first.
want her arrested for?
Oh, absolutely.
Okay.
Hell yeah.
I'll be right back with you. Yeah, she hit me in the head. No, he hit me in the head. Recall, we got fire rescue on the way.
My son didn't touch it.
They also see him. He threw a phone at me and it hit me right here.
That's your fault.
The incident takes another turn when an officer claims that Matthew threw a phone that hit him in the head. If proven, that allegation could result in additional charges on top of the original trespassing case.
Okay. All right, so we have fire rescue come and check you out. Is that because you have heart issues?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. All right.
And my son's disabled, so if you touch him, you go to jail automatically.
Okay.
Black, yellow, white, it don't matter.
Okay.
And you broke my fucking arm.
Okay.
Okay? I can't.
You don't have
hardly
ID
breathe.
with you, right?
I just want to stand up.
Do you have ID with
No,
you?
he's putting pressure on my back.
Well, we don't want you to lean up. That's the thing.
I can't breathe. I have heart issues, you dumbass.
Okay, well, what do you want me to do?
I want you to let me stand up.
You're standing up, but you're gonna have to stop moving.
No, you're hurting me.
We're not trying to.
I didn't get a chance to call. You're pulling up my dress. You're looking at my ass.
You are throwing a lot of things at us right now. We're not trying to do anything.
I didn't do shit. My son dropped his phone because of you.
He
and
threw
now
his phone.
You can buy him a new phone.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's your first name?
Fucking boogeyman.
Are you refusing to identify yourself?
Just leave me alone, man. It is going to change because I didn't do anything wrong, and neither did my son. And he's on SSI. He's disabled. You guys are going to be arrested for touching him. He is. He's black man. Huh?
Factually correct.
I know that it's correct. And this guy looked at my ass. This guy looked at my ass.
Okay, but remember when
I know I got a nice ass, but...
Factually correct.
And then you yelled at her, right?
You ain't towing my car.
I'm towing it.
It's illegal.
Okay.
It's not your car.
It is my car. It's in my name and my mother's name. Okay. I paid for it. I'm just gonna pass out. How about that? Pass out on the ground.
We're good. Then lean up against the car. So that way, if you do, then you are leaning up against the car.
You're hurting my fucking stomach. Will you please help me? These motherfuckers are hurting me. They're pushing me up against the car. And this guy's black ass.
Okay, so we got a call here because she said she's having heart problems. I think y'all were out with her before. Y'all just want to...
I won't do it here. You have to take me to the hospital.
So she's
No
refusing.
vitals on scene.
She's refusing.
She's refusing?
Well, she said she doesn't want to do it here, so
okay,
that's refusing.
We'll take you to the hospital.
No, I want to go with them.
No, you're not going with that.
That's not works.
Huh?
We're not going to see the fire truck.
So get an ambulance if you can
Nope.
pass me.
No, unfortunately, I'm going to call a sergeant, make sure it's okay, and then I'm going to take you ourselves, okay? We're not going to tie up our
still going to
services.
They're already tying up their shorts.
Let me call my lieutenant just to make sure, okay?
Alright, so let's go get her in the back of my car.
Stop treating me like I'm a fucking criminal. It's not okay.
It's not that serious, okay?
It's very serious.
Yes, sir.
I just want to fall to the floor.
Okay.
Okay. Can you put these in the front, please?
No,
like
we
normal
can't do
eggs?
that, unfortunately. You're going to have a seat in that vehicle, or I'm going to charge you with another car.
God, I can't even get in the car, man.
Have a seat.
Where is my son going?
Same place where you're going, the hospital.
Yeah, we need like CAT scans to our head and shit. Since that black motherfucker put his hands on us. This would be great for cops. I haven't seen that show in a while.
In the end, the woman, identified as Janet, was arrested for trespassing and resisting an officer. However, the resisting charge was later dropped. She ultimately entered a no-contest plea to the trespassing charge, was found guilty, and received a 20-day jail sentence with credit for time already served. What began as a routine call involving a vehicle that ran out of gas ended with an arrest because neither party was willing to walk away after being told to leave private property. Sometimes the simplest solution is also the easiest way to avoid criminal charges.